megalayapost.news.
Ki nong song wai dukan hapok ka building jong ka nongpo town shopping complex mentaka sengi kilai mi renti lang hapok ka wek syatri jong ka kunhon ka balatip kum ka nongpo town shopping complex owner association kilami renti lang ban pulkhoj ya ka saudong saukun bat ki kendong kensrot jong ka te ka building ka ba ki jusong ban kamai jakpo man ka sengi hakane ka sengi lawan basa kilang do deputy commissioner ka Riboy district u Abilash Baranwal kum u kongsan haga jinga don langro u assistant engineer ka urban affair ba SS Langsti Uba Pensyai Karkongor District WDB Consultant Riboy District Uba Sylvester Mensong Ramba Shnong Kanongpo Harangkat Kinong Elam Ketika Association Kiba Kentup Ya Kakong EUCM Kum Ka Presiden Michelle Marngar Secretary Ba Pendap Lang Walang Advisor Lemat Kiwe Habakran hakane sengi nakaliang u Deputy Commissioner Kum Kongsan ulakit bok yakane ka kunhun makanangla banle sibun kikam hakabai day bakate ka shopping complex kamtam hakabai day baka khut ka suba kabalong hakmat u DC hakate ka jingelang ulap pauru banakaliang ka office kanang chimkia susu ban petikna bakane ka complex kan itnat daka jingpli renti jong hidukan hakaba ulap pauru bakin sabu daka kuna yakino kitrai dukan kibakhang yakidukan ki jongki ulap tharu yakitrai dukan bakin pliman ka sengi yakidukan jongki bat ban penukam hok yakane ka complex balap tharu yakino kinong song dukan hapo kate ka kompleks ki basim wai pateng naki wai pat bakin sobha ban kundu yaki bor badai pej ya kate ka kompleks khnang bakin na ban penrung ya ka kerteng jongki ban longkum kita kitrai ki bapura jongki dukan ki bal ai wai saki
Kapor kalong pej ban penkhoi yang ada ka shopping complex kata kalau ke badungkam ha lada ka shopping complex kam khoi kalau ke ba yaki beri bakin one room kata kawai kita cuan kadang kejing sma kadang kejing icaklia ban kejing tiet room ikwa room de kadai sisa kadai kaba nga kerpat ipi bakam num dei tang hagani ka sngi pade bat nri nangi syakmat pade man kapor pihak ya trelang kala ban long sisin si benai ne sisin arbanai kata kan ya syakmat ka kam dei basulok petang ka haka sisin ka sisnem kata kan lumpoi sih hendrai kabadukam kalong bangin train na kapor sa kapor bay in ay ketika jingkoi ke subahot ke office jong ka district administration kadar rekat lik berpi tambang ngirung idor lagi jong kikang oh kamdei tang ya kani nama kata lakwa hita ka yo e kani ke jingseng jong ketika nongpo tong shopping complex shop owners association laslem ha ila awan syakmat mo ban kepat iki nong song dukan ngiru bakin seng no la jong kenang ba kin yo benta hapor bagi don ki meeting ru isit don ki meeting de hantu ki meeting jongi umdan ba represent lagi shop owners dikai ka bangi rai ngi kala bomnum ya hap bat kai ka bapia mat hapo ka kompleks de hendrai mentang ngi scam ba nangi syakmat mo kindan ki representative na po association ki bandan rekat bagi hakapor bagi rai hindu nang ba ka kamru kanong kabayad ben o ini dokumen nangi kaporo bagi don EDC jongi ibalong active sisya EDC iba shim yang kata ka leadership quality ke jongi iba ya syakmat nakapor sa kapor ngi lagi sisya yang kita ki kijing jongi nong song dukan ngi Ndrei kakamya cekmat kakam Ndrei nadu ki wan disisa abangi UE daladi ya keren ya kijing jungki nongsong dukan ngi bai lashimi kita disenjam ban ni ya trailang ban I kalong kajing kemen ya ka department rumo kumju I manager ru ibadan ngi kata kawai dukong kadai kajing ut jungki nongsong dukan kalong bai manager mah wan be chei papli iru idon gijing la jong ihap ya thu ikibakam haloru den ringi ngagen skemba lemba kajing tristom jong I pade nomor itun yosno ikini gijing mentang kala long ke urlong mentang UI ba ketika transparent sheet ada replace niyo ya ke drilling jong ko umru ilayo biang patient ngin sayo so ban pendukam ikini ki toilet hakar kom ke babiang kata kilong ki badukam di ketika backup power supply rumah hakini ki passage apa lip light di kalong sisa gejing kalong dum baru ngimla aban bu inverter entering la subuh ke inverter hakini ki common passage kini ki public places kenang ba dan gejing singai ru tingingit scam ba nangi syakmat ru kani ka shopping complex kana kiu ngide men sim sia kani ka lat ka government kalawan bu kani ka shopping complex angi ngala ban ong yepi dei dadai makadon hapo shillong kani ka shopping complex layak kini tahu ki kalong ka kortor hadu kata de ndrei ngasmu ngaladon hangi lakam tu ganis dem ringa ui ba kata ke jing kamda syai ki briu kim da ui jengai kata ndrei kanti ke shopping complex hadin habot kalong ka koridor ba kalong ka koridor na menta ka employment ru lada kim yo kam at least kidon ka dukan hangi la ka dor ka dor ka bapiang ba ba ka sorka bu nang ta pade kidon ka jing shensengan ru hangi kadon ru kata ka balaj na uslap na ka jing na ka jing ka mariang kumju pil long ban long trai ru hangi kata ka we sisi pa pilayo hangi tapi bud be je kitondon yung ka pisiu ya ka bai ka badai ka ban siu kasyai be kasulok pateng la pateng hi ka jong pi ka ni
na ka yang garai ha ka ba khadu ka pangilayo ya kene ka building then rei sem ladon kanu ka jingwan sakmat le se na kaliang ti nongsong dukan bat ya kene ka kompleks di Broadway na safety no na ka sarkar kata kamot apo ka jing pe jingwi no ka DC rengkat ka urban then mar kata kene ka por karno ka jong ka jing dokumen ka bakrawe ka ba lese na kaliang kato kaningut kibaya don hapo kani ka dukan kilaya pe ya kmi ba bat kilaya i ya kajing don kam ban don no kum ko we ka association ka ban pe bat kmi kham tam me ha ka be de bat kajing khoi kajing suba hang ne po complex de nomor kata po kajing i jenga jong kong use piersim rengkat bati kong almarngar kibalaya sim kia ya kene ke kam bat penlong ya kene ke program bat ha keju ke poru kum ke jing hikai dan ya ke jing ya sim beta na ke benta dan penek sa ke jing khut jing suba ke balong ha kene ke juk ke pementa ni dan kam adu kata-kata tena kalian ke dorbar sinong ru hadin bagi sim ya ke NOC no wile berkane nilai yo ban ya discuss bat ki bat nilai men sim ki ban sim bat bande la ya kene tena mar kata kene ke long ke wei ka session ke bayaran ban pet ban kni ya ke jing don kam la ne ki kham tam e ha ke ko ke jing suba namar kumbang ini ngitip la dang ilej ki we ki jaka bidang ki kompleks ki shopping kompleks ki bahe ki long kan no ke jing itenat mo ke jing itenat ban la dang room sepo andang rami na tu ke jaka ru ka long ke jing itenat te namar kata ngi hang ne ponong kham tam e na kaliang dorbar ngi ai ke message kham tame ya kene ga session bat penjuru ya pi tiba dan bukan ani atau yu ban le khoj la ne ban penitenat la ne ban pun pin ban ya trailer kham tame ya ka khoj ke suba ka ba de hapo kene ga muda kompleks te nomor kata na kaliang ka darbar sinong ka kubor hi kalong ba ni ai ka jingi trailang bat pi la da gidon kam ka no kopor bat ha ka ju kopor na kaliang jong ka urban department rengkat ke jing don jong DC bolong chairman bape bekni ya kani ka kompleks te lada gidon kijing kino kijing lada kino bagi ro ni dan i DC badan buram jongi i bala paniarap yengi rengkat ke jing don lang jong i assistant engineer bade na po urban i paniarap yengi ki bentang baper
kindly clean their shutters as well, because shutters is something that is immediately visible. So that is my kind request. I have already requested your Shop Owners Association advisor, so that it is something that the Shop Owners Association should ensure that it happens. After that, I have also, basically my office is always open. Now that you have an association, whatever you need, if it is within our capacity, we'll make sure that it happens in the Muda complex. I completely agree with the lady, the Singh Longkmi Nongpur proper, when she said that the aspirations and the hopes which this Muda complex would have raised, they have not realized. जो aspirations ये सब था वो सब पूरा नहीं हुआ है, because it does not look like a proper well lit market. We are doing whatever we can. We are trying to prevent leakage. We have provided you power backup, at least in the lighting and etc. with backup in the corridors and all. But लेकिन अभी बहुत लंबा सफर जाना है, so we'll ensure that whatever is needed, we'll provide that. But simultaneously, we are also going to take some strong steps. For example, those who are not opening shops, this is something that I'll discuss with the Shop Owners Association also, that for every day, if anyone is not opening shop, we should impose some fine. Okay, that has to happen, even if it's a modest fine, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, but that has to happen. Aap shop open nahi kar raha hai, it does not look nice, there has to be a fine. Secondly, for all those people who are as of now subletting, my clear message to you, till 10th May, please listen to me, I'll speak in Hindi as well. Till 10th May, till 10th of June, you have the opportunity. After 10th June, we are going to check if the person in whose name the allotment is, if the concerned person is not there, we are going to cancel the allotment. As simple as that. No subletting is going to be allowed. Whatever the rent charges the government has fixed, pay that, operate the shop. If you cannot operate the shop, move away, give opportunity to the other entrepreneurs. Secondly, this is also a message to all those tenants who are currently leasing it out from those allottees. Let's say person A is the allotment owner, but person B is operating the shop by taking it on rent from person A. This is a message to all those tenants कि आप लोग अभी, as of now, you are paying higher charges to the actual allotment owner. You come to my office, or you come to Sanjay, you come to Bala. This is your opportunity till 10th of June. You give your name that I am the actual person who is operating the shop. Will transfer the allotment in your name. As of now, what are the rent charges? 1100. 1100, right? 1100, right? So let's say it starts from 1100, but you may be paying 2000 or 2500 to the actual owner. आप मेरे ऑफिस आओ, बाला के पास जाओ, संजय के पास जाओ, you go to them, you tell that this is a shop that I am operating, we are not going to take any action against the allotment owner, but will transfer the allotment to you. So that from your shop does not have to close, you only have to pay rupees 1100 or whatever are the actual government charges, and your shop will not close down. Because trust me on this, whether it is 10th June or maybe 15th June, something like that, but we are going to cancel all these subleasing, whatever is taking place. Because unless that is checked, the Muda complex aspirations will not realize. So, my request to the Owners Association is
Meghalaya Post.News